Suzuki, from motorcycles to global automotive powerhouse. From humble beginnings as a loom manufacturer to becoming a global automotive force, Suzuki's story is one of innovation, resilience, and a relentless pursuit of performance. Join us as we explore the journey of this iconic brand. Section 1. Two-wheeled beginnings. It all started in 1909 when Michio Suzuki founded a loom manufacturing company. However, the company's destiny would soon take a dramatic turn. In the 1950s, Suzuki ventured into the motorcycle industry, producing small, fuel-efficient bikes to meet the needs of post-war Japan. Suzuki quickly gained a reputation for building reliable and affordable motorcycles. Their lightweight and powerful bikes became popular both domestically and internationally. Section 2. The transition to cars. Building on their success in motorcycles, Suzuki expanded into the automotive market in the 1960s. Their first cars were small and economical, reflecting the needs of the Japanese consumer. The Suzuki Light, a microcar, was a pioneer in its segment. Suzuki's entry into the car market was gradual but steady. They focused on building a strong foundation and developing their engineering capabilities. Section 3. Global expansion and performance focus. As the decades progressed, Suzuki's automotive ambitions grew. They expanded their lineup to include a wider range of vehicles, from compact cars to SUVs. The iconic Suzuki Swift became a global bestseller, known for its fun-to-drive character and fuel efficiency. Suzuki's performance heritage, honed in motorcycle racing, found its way into their cars. Models like the Suzuki Cappuccino and the Swift Sport showcased the brand's sporty side. Section 4. Challenges and adaptation. Like many automakers, Suzuki faced challenges in the form of economic downturns and changing consumer preferences. They responded by adapting their product lineup and focusing on emerging markets. Suzuki's strength lies in its ability to offer affordable, reliable, and fuel-efficient vehicles. This strategy has helped them thrive in markets with growing middle classes. Section 5. The future of Suzuki. Today, Suzuki is a major player in the global automotive industry. They continue to innovate and expand their product range. With a focus on electrification and advanced technologies, Suzuki is poised to shape the future of mobility. As we look ahead, it's clear that Suzuki's journey is far from over. The brand's commitment to delivering value, performance, and efficiency ensures a bright future. From humble beginnings to a global automotive powerhouse, Suzuki's story is an inspiration. Their dedication to innovation and customer satisfaction has driven their success. Let us know your favorite Suzuki model in the comments below.